how to adjust things with in shortcut. So just here, like this is something what I typed here, and so these are so this is what I typed here. Okay, and now if I have to adjust this in proper manner, what I can do is I can just take my mouse to this corner here and drag it. Now, just wait here like this. I can drag it. Okay, so here it is adjust in one column. So there is one more way. Let's undo it. There is one more way. What I can do is I can just take my mouse here, just have a look at the arrow which is pointing down, you can see that, and double click here. If I double click here, it's in proper manner now. So without dragging it, you can just go ahead and double click, it will adjust automatically. So this is the first trick for today. And like yesterday I showed you how to put filter and how to remove filter, and today, like just here, I will show you how to remove duplicates. Like this is our data in which like we are typing 1 1 1, so we have lots of numbers with duplicates, am I correct? Yeah, here we are. So you can just have a look. We have lots of data like 100 numbers, 200 numbers. From there, 100 details, 200 details. From there we have to remove duplicates. So it's very difficult to find one and remove it, find one and remove it, find one and remove it. So I will show you the shortcut how to remove duplicates. So what you have to do, you just have to select the row or column from which you want to remove duplicates. Then you can click on data. Here it is at the top, it's here, data. So in Excel 2007 or 10, you will get the same thing in view. Okay, so there are two different categories. So today I will show you where it is. So it's here, you can click on data. Okay, okay, so first of all we need to select this column. From here I want to remove duplicates. I select this column from where I want to remove duplicates. Then I will need to click on data. Well, after clicking data, you just have a look here, this arrow, or if you make it bigger, here it says remove duplicates. So you need to click on this remove duplicates, select the column, then OK. Just wait here. Okay, 3 duplicates value found and removed, 12 unique value remains. So now 3 duplicate value has been removed. You can just have a look, see there. Now the count, total number of counts what we have is, I will show you how it removed. Total number of counts what we have is 12. You can just have a look here. If I will undo it, Control Z, now total number of count is 15. After removing duplicates, 3 duplicates removed, again the count is 12. It means that 3 duplicates has been removed from your data. You are free to use your data without any duplicates, so you don't have to worry about duplicates. Like your name is appearing twice, thrice, and you don't want it, use the duplicate formula and remove it. It's a very easy way and simple way. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you for now.